we did not have that on. Alright, we're good. I believe we're good, right? Everything should be fine. Levels appropriate. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Let's make these ammo types actually do something proper, right? So the way we're gonna do that, I should probably close a lot of these. Hold on. It's getting pretty crowded in here. Let's see. What is this? Oh yeah. We can close that. We can close this. We're gonna need that in a second here. Yeah, door, we can close that. Draw class. Yeah, we can close that. We don't need that. Enemy we're probably gonna need soon. This event and this event don't really need right now. Key we don't need right now. Loot chest we don't need. Meta medium, we can close that. Sparkle impact. Thermite impact. Let's close those. Volt impact, close that. Okay. Bro, I am sweating in my headset already, dude. This is gonna be very uncomfortable. I already felt sweat dripping down the back of my ear. I would like to say that is less than comfortable. Is that too much? Whatever. It looks fine. Alright, so player, yeah. Alright, so here what we're gonna do. Where's all of my shooties? All my shooty script. Alright. Alright, so let's look at damage real quick. How can we apply a DOT here? I guess it will have to be would have to be. So I could just do it in a script in here, but then I'd have to copy paste that to every single enemy I make. Oh my god, I don't want to do that. Thinking about it, I don't want to do that at all, dude. Is there a way? Or, ooh, dude, hold up. Because, what if Alright, wait. I'm thinking. So what if... First thing I don't even know if this is gonna work, but first thing I go to is I just like start making a particle effect for it. I mean, this would help. It'll help me see if it could like help me visualize it. So let's see. Alright, let's see. We're gonna need that transparency. We don't need shading. Vertex color, let's use as albedo just in case we need to. Oh, we're probably gonna make it fade out. Let's give it a slight glow. Yeah, that's a lot of glow, but you know what? That's fine. Alright, let's go with that. What else we need? We need that build board. Keep that size, please. Oh yeah, shadows. We don't need you receiving shadows. That is unnecessary. Let's see. Accelerators, tractor. We don't need you to interact with any tractors. I am so surprised this is on by default. Does anyone know why this is on by default? I think this should be off by default. Why is this on by default? Why is the default on? This... It's annoying. I have to turn it off all the time because I have one attractor in my entire game. Now I have to turn it off for everything that I don't want it to work with. Let's see, we're gonna need this gravity to be +1 maybe? Maybe +2. Okay. We can scale this. Get this scale curve. Whoa. Whoa, dude. Dude, stop. I don't know why it does this. Alright. Alright. Yeah, let's do a little fade gradient here. Alright. Hell yeah. Okay. So now, let's see. Let's get this to kind of like go in different directions like that. Also, hold on. I should probably perhaps make this a sphere. Am I coding on my Steam Deck? Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. I'm just use the desktop mode to load up Arch Linux, or Steam OS, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Just install Godot on there. You can install Unity on it too. I put Unity on here too, but I don't know how to use Unity. But yeah. I don't know, man. It's not that insane. It's cool, isn't it? I think it's cool, but it's not insane, bro. Unity kind of sucks. All right, cool. That helps me feel like I'm not really missing out. But unfortunately, actually, I do really want to learn like Unreal Engine one of these days. If I ever get a Windows machine, I'll definitely start learning Unreal Engine. But yeah, for now, I just got my Steam Deck, and I'm just coding on Godot with it. Alright, let's see. Maybe this should probably be 2. Let's see if 2. Alright, yeah. But for this, sphere maybe? Yeah, I think sphere. Let's see. Let's see. Now. I'll probably have to scale that. I gotta figure out how I can scale that for like targets that are bigger. What kind of game am I making? It's a third-person shooter. I got some stuff. Working. I could show it to you real quick here. Let me just let me just send the player back to the beginning of the level here real quick. Oh wait, forgot to send the player back to this right here. Okay. Now I need to like. All right, so check this out. So it's a third-person shooter. It's based in the futuristic sci-fi with some cyberpunk elements. But the character you assume control of, his name's Carbon Head. He's kind of like a mercenary. He takes jobs. He's not happy with his job, and the people who employ him aren't happy with him either. So he's got a pretty shitty job. But yeah, so yeah, we're just like spawn here. We got like a tutorial here. See how it's like kind of like a tutorial for mouse looking and a tutorial for WASD keys to move. So yeah, I got all these little tutorials hidden here. Don't really know what how I'm gonna make the player actually notice them, because like, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Oh, and thank you for the follow too, by the way. But yeah, like I kind of need like something to like direct the player's attention like more consistently, because right now the way it is, it's like you can miss this easily, but I'll figure something out. But yeah, I put a little secret loot chest over here. Hold on. We can get like some meta medium and some currency. Money in this is called blocks. You can collect blocks for currency. And then meta medium is used to heal yourself at healing stations. Oh, damn. Okay, so I lost. I fell down the pit of despair. All right, I don't need that secret anyways, so we can just like go over here. So basically, yeah. So you got a little dodge thing here. That's what this tutorial right here. This is telling you this is kind of telling you to use the dodge. You're supposed to press shift, but you're supposed to stand on this, and then you can press shift and like dodge through the door. This is where you learn this is where you learn wall jump. I don't have a screen for that yet. I've been meaning to make one, but yeah. So this is kind of like the wall jump tutorial. You're supposed to jump up here because this door's locked right here. You can't open it yet because the key's up here. So you have to wall jump up here, and then there's one enemy in here that you can just kill. These are like little drones. These are drones that are sent out by like law enforcement, the planetary military law enforcement, to keep people out of where they don't belong. But like Carbon Head doesn't really care. Carbon Head goes wherever he wants. This is the first major encounter. You fight a lot of these drones here. So far, this is actually the only enemy I have. I have right now. I will need to make new enemies, like more variety and stuff like that, which will be coming soon. Just been mostly doing level design and just little tweaks of like the player and stuff. Been kind of doing the UI too, or like the heads down display is what I call it because it's like below you, if like it's around your feet. If you haven't noticed, yeah, I've been working on the UI for like last 4 days or something like that. But yeah, I've also been just doing these like kind of like encounters, scripting these encounters of like these things spawning out of thin air. I'm also like when you just came in too, I was actually kind of working on different ammo types. Right now, there's only one ammo type. It's just this normal ammo, which you have infinite of. This is just a gear backup ammo. If you don't have like any other type of ammo, you just use the normal ammo because you have infinite of it. But then there's other types of ammo you'll be able to pick up and collect. There's gonna be like thermite ammo, which is like fire. It sets things on fire and then they take fire damage over time. Looks really good. Thank you. And then yeah, there'll also be cryo damage or cryo ammo where it'll like slow enemies down. Like when you blast them with some cryo rounds, they'll get slowed. And then the last type of ammo that I'm planning on making is volt ammo, where it's gonna like kind of be like chain lightning. You hit one enemy and then it can like arc to other enemies. I don't know if I'm gonna put a status effect like I do have like on the first two, because like the thermite rounds have fire damage, and then the cryo rounds have like that slow effect. They give a slow effect. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that for the volt rounds too. I mean, the only thing I can really think of is like some kind of stun where they kind of get locked for a moment. Oh yeah, I should also probably tell you about the little bars down there, huh? So the red one, obviously, that's health. That's your health. That's our health bar. And then blue is your focus. And what focus does is you use it to dodge. So you can, when you press shift to dodge, you use some of that focus. And if you don't have enough focus, then you can't dodge, obviously. And then another thing it does is if you get hit, if an attack hits you while you have some focus meter left, it'll take some focus first, and kind of implying like some kind of like dodge. Like the dude Carbon Head, he'll like do a little auto dodge and use up some of your focus. But if you don't have any focus, then you start taking health damage. And then, but anyways, so what you could do though, besides like focus regenning by itself over time, you could also use melee attacks. If you hit with a melee attack, you'll regenerate some focus. And no health packs dropped. Kind of need some health. All right, so yeah, no health packs dropped, but that's okay. maybe I'll just like have to increase the drop chance or something. But yeah, that's basically it. So you just like, that's all I have right now. I'm still working on a whole bunch of other stuff. This room is where I left off in terms of like level design. And yeah, probably just like half a second would be good for the stun. Okay, yeah, because like, yeah, if like for a stun, like you could use it to like, if there was a stun, like it could be used to like interrupt like large attacks. If you see an enemy doing some kind of like large attack, then if you at least stun them for like half a second, that's enough to like just like stop them from doing that attack. Uh, do you know what the mission structure is gonna be like? Yeah, so basically, so like what I envision is the kind of like the progression of level is gonna be more like old school shooters like Half-Life and Unreal. If you ever played the first Unreal, um, just like old school shooters where you're just going through levels and stuff. But then like you do have like this kind of like agent guy who like contacts you through. He's gonna contact you through like a some kind of communication device, and he'll be the one that like gives you the missions, tells you what to do and stuff like that. Um, it's gonna be it's not gonna be like open world or anything. You're not gonna really make choices. You're basically just gonna be running through levels and running and gunning is what you're gonna be doing. But yeah, I've got these different ammo types right here. So this is like the thermite. None of these do anything. Like you can fire them and have all these particle effects, but right now they don't do anything. They don't do any damage or anything. But yeah, the thermite rounds, these is going to be the things that set things on fire. And then this is the cryo rounds, where you'll be able to slow things down with. And then yeah, and then this is the volt rounds, which will shock things, or chain lightning. If I do put a stun, I probably shouldn't do chain lightning. But if I do chain lightning, I probably shouldn't do a stun. I don't know, man. Balance is going to be hard. You have an insane amount of control over where you aim. Yeah, I mean, I think so. I don't know, dude. Because like I'm doing like research, when I've been doing research on like first person shooters, people tell me like, or people are saying that the way firing works in shooters, even in third person, the way like firing your weapons work isn't the way it looks like on screen. It's a lot of like kind of like magic going on in the background. But in this, it's it's what it is. Like, I'll even show you. It's just how you think it would be. So I just have on his guns, I just have some ray casts coming out the barrels of his guns, and then whatever those ray casts hit, they that's where like then it'll just like send like it'll call functions through the raycast to do damage and stuff. And as far as those laser sights are just like really long sprites. They're just sprite 3Ds and stretched out. Um, it's not directly where the raycast is, but it's like kind of like a little bit further down, kind of like where a laser sight would be. And yeah, it's not like I really have the only thing, the only kind of thing that I have that kind of directs where you're aiming is this like marker. There's a 3D marker all the way in the distance. That's why there's this huge ass box right here. But there's like down there like 1,000 meters down that way. There's one marker that your arms point to. So, because I kind of need that in the system for this little thing where you can aim narrow or aim wide. I needed that to like for my arms to look at. Well, my shoulders look at. So So the character's shoulders look at the marker 3D all the way out in the distance, so it can like aim up and down like this. Um, and then like, but then like the arms are just at like they just use like a rotation with like a clamped rotation variable. Um, but yeah, as far as like aiming, it's basically just it's raw. This is the rawest aiming. Not rawest, but this is pretty raw aiming. Like there's no little tricks or anything like what like AAA shooters will be doing to trick you into thinking like that there's an actual projectile coming out the barrel of your gun. There's actually this is it's actually a hit scan from the barrel to wherever these laser pointers are pointing. I'm actually kind of scared to make like an actual first person shooter because it just sounds intimidating. Like all the real things, like all the not I shouldn't say real things. That's not fair. Saying calling them real. Like all the magic, like I said before, like all the magic that game developers put into making like these AAA first person shooters and stuff. There's a lot. There's a lot that goes into it to make them work the way they work. But I just ran with this. I just decided to like do something simple, work with something simple, and then if I need it to be more complex, I'll just add stuff onto it. But yeah, let's see. As far as let's see, this thing, yeah. So this was my idea for our DOT. I don't even know what I'm doing here. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but this is how I think I'm gonna do this. The wide and narrow is what I was talking about with being. Oh, okay, yeah. Also for Volt, I feel like both chain and stun makes sense. You could make it take some focus, maybe. Hmm. Or maybe I can put a cooldown on the stun. Like enemies can only be stunned once every 5 or 10 seconds, something like that. 5 seconds might be too much too. Probably like 10 or 15. Uh, yeah. A charge up? Okay. Yeah, so like you'd have to, if you do want to stun, you'd have to charge it up. Hmm. Dude, that would be cool. Yeah, because you'd have more control over it. You'd be like, okay, I'm gonna stun this. I'm gonna try to like stun this, you know. But then all the other times you're just like chain lightning all over the place. Okay. Yeah, no, there's definitely options. 100%. Let's see here. Um, I did do this fade. Yeah. Let's see. What about the scale? What does that look like again? Scale's fine, I guess. Alright, we're gonna go with that. Okay, time. Let's make this. There's randoms. Can I just make this? Yeah, put some randomness in there. Um, should be that should be enough. I don't know if I need this to be 8. What if we had that at 4? Let's play with the lifetime a little bit. Two looked alright. About 1.5 second lifespan. Alright. I think we can go with this. Okay, so that's the effect. And now for damage. Okay, so wait, oh shit. Let's save this. Forgot to save this. Okay, we're gonna put this in effects, I guess. Yeah. And now we're going to slap a script on here. Let's see, how are we gonna do this though? Maybe do like I'm wondering if like one damage per step, is that gonna be too much, or I might have to space that out? I think we'll space this out. So basically, let's see. So this is how we're gonna do this. We're gonna go. We're gonna do. Let's see. We're gonna do damage time, and then we'll also do fire time. We're gonna start damage time. We're gonna start at 0. Fire time, I think we'll start at. Oh, which way are we gonna do this? Oh, you know what? We should do this the other way around. Okay, so damage time. So we'll start at 10 with this one. And then here we're gonna start at 300. 300. That's 5 seconds, right? So 5 seconds of if it's 60 frames per second, then that's 5 seconds. All right, so we'll go fire time -1 every step. Then we'll do damage time -1. Oops. -1 every step. If damage time less than 0, no, let's do less than 1. Oh, this is gonna be. Oh well, it's fine. Doesn't really matter. We'll do get parent dot health minus, we'll say 5 for now. 5 seconds, so that's 25 damage over 5 seconds. Is that going to be enough? We'll see. Probably not. Considering like the regular, what I have right now is like the regular bullets, they do 50 damage. 50 damage. All these like basic enemies that I'm fighting have 100 health, so they take like 2 shots each. So doing 25 or 5 seconds on those doesn't sound like a lot. But then also, something that dies so fast, you really don't really care about damage over time. So something with damage over time, you really only want to use on something that is gonna have a lot of health, a big ol' health pool. Which means I should probably. No, it's okay. No. No, it's fine. Ooh, because these are going to be stacked. This is going to be funny. Oh, these are going to stack. Okay, I think we're onto something here. Hold on, I think we're onto something here. Hold on. Damage time equals 10. And reset that back to 10. And then if fire time is less than 1, then we're gonna queue free. Oh, dude, that's gonna be nuts. This is gonna be crazy, dude. All right, hold on. Let's see. But now, how do I do that? Let's see. Save this. So we can, let's look at my damage class here. Can I do it through this? Can a class like do stuff like oh no, I know how I can do this. I'll do it through the player. Yeah, we'll just do it through this. Alright, so we'll do fire damage. Did I spell that right? I did spell that right. Make that a pack scene. Then we're going to preload. Fire damage scene. Okay. Now here we do if gun L scan get collider has method damage. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a damage class. A new one. And then damage dot base damage. We'll do, let's see, make that base damage so since this can stack up, I think what we're gonna do, make the base damage 25, but I'm going to change this fire damage to 10 per tick, so it could do 75 total. One thermite round can do 75 damage total. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, and then what we do here is gun and left scan get collider dot damage and then pass through damage. And here's the funny part. Then we're going to instantiate a fire damage, and then we're going to add a child, new fire damage. So it just stacks a bunch of these on top of it, and then it gives that, and then gives it the fire damage. Okay, let's see. Alright, so we're gonna copy this, and we put this, wait, hold on. Yeah, this one, right? Okay, this one goes here. Oops, no, here. Oops. Put that here, but we have to change these to R scan. And I think that's it. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. All right, I think that should be it. So this is how I'm gonna have to test this. I'm gonna go over here to this single little enemy that's alone in this little kind of like whatever you call this. Okay, we're gonna shoot it once with that, and then we'll shoot it once with this. Oh, dude, the DOT does work. Yo! Let's go melt some drones, dude. Let's do this. Roar! Oh, dude. Oh, that one dropped a health pack. Some meta medium is what it's called. Meta medium is like a substance, and you have to collect a bunch of it. Every one meta medium can regenerate 1 health at the meta medium automated meta medium machine, the AMM. I had 999 thermite rounds when I started. Now I have 419, and it's about to be less. Yo, dude. I didn't even pick up that meta medium. Forgot all about it. Alright, so that was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Wait, did that seriously? That's 7, right? That's not 1, that's 7. Oh, dude, I forgot. I forgot to, like, make a thing where it, like, uh, stops this event from triggering again every time you go back in that room. I should probably work on that. Alright, cool. Fire damage is done. Easy, dude. Alright. So, with that said, maybe I should make, should I just make the normal ammo? Just the basic ammo that you have infinite of do 25 damage? Too? It does 50 damage right now. Should I just do 25 damage? Just like the thermite rounds do 25 damage initially and then 50 more damage over time. Let's play with that. Because now, I mean, this is getting into the territory of balancing. I don't even know if I need to start worrying about balancing right now. I should really just like get these last 2 damage types out of the way. But let's see. Okay, let's say I had 100 thermite rounds. Like I just like collected this much. Because you saw how fast I was going through those. So let's say I just have 100 of them, and I'll just use them up in like this, use them up in this, in these encounters, and see what that feels like. See what it feels like having to switch over to, I'm just gonna use normal ammo for this guy. But yeah, let's see how it feels like being able to just like burn through 100 thermite ammo in an actual encounter, and then being forced to switch to normal ammo because you ran out. Let's see what this feels like. I'm also gonna try to like use some melee attacks too to like conserve ammo. I'm already at 52. Alright, fine. Nope. I'm just gonna use up the rest of this then. Yep, there we go. Out of thermite rounds, switching over to normal rounds. I mean, it doesn't, so far it doesn't feel too bad. I'm not wishing I had thermite rounds right now. Alright, these guys are spawning a lot. Starting to wish I had a lot more thermite rounds. doable. Completely doable. I'm also just like only fighting these like little drone things. This is why I really should start working on different enemies as well to get a better feel for fighting. Like, ooh, 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 died. All right. Okay, so let's see. All right, well, let's just start working on the cryo damage. I wonder why I have these open. What's up with that? I don't need to do it this way. What am I doing? Don't say. Okay, so let's see. All right, let's open up the enemy script. Let's see. Alright, so the way I think I'm gonna do this is we're gonna clamp the speed. So, speed equals, no, wait, no. Shit, I forgot how to clamp. Speed dot clamp? No, speed equals clamp, right? Yeah, it was speed equals clamp. Clamp, speed, then minimum is 0, maximum is 2. What if I want to speed it up? I'll change it later if I do. If I want to speed these guys up or something with some kind of like separate effect or something. And now I don't remember where I was going with this. What was I doing? I'm gonna just have to make more variables. If I do that, if I make more variables, I'm just gonna have to do that for every single character again. So yeah, I kind of do need to make a. Well, I kind of, yeah, you kind of do want to make a new this thing anyways, just so I can have some particle effects following them around that make it look like they are affected. I mean, you gotta have some kind of indicator, right? So let's see. Let's get a particle effect up in here. So we can, let's see. Let's do that. quad mesh there. Alright, so for this texture, I'm use the one I did for the impact. Alpha, no shading, no shading. Vertex colors use albedo. Then let's mess around with the colors over here. Make this glow a bit. Yeah, let's just make it glow like pure blue, but have this be more cyan. Ooh. Okay. Alright, let's see. What else we need? Shadows, we can disable having shadows so we can free up some resources. Don't need all of that. Need a particle billboard. Keep that size, please. And I believe that is it for here. Spawn point. Let's do a sphere for this as well. Alright, angle. Let's have this bunch of randomness. Velocity. I don't think I need the velocity, do I? I don't think I need velocity. I'll just have that stuff just like doing that thing. Collision. Let's have that collide. I don't know if that even does anything. Hold on. Okay, now turbulence. Nope. Don't need turbulence. We need to scale this. We're going to make these 0.2 to 0.3, I think. Should be fine. We're not going to have them scale down, but we will have them fade out. Up that, or no, lower that alpha. You don't really see it. It's not visible at all. Oof. Okay. This looks like it's a kind of a waste. Yeah, it looks the same. Alright, so in that case, kind of have these spin too. Oh, wait. Before that, where's gravity? Let's lower this gravity a little bit. What about -2? -1. Okay. We're gonna go with that for now. Let's see. 20 here, 20 here. Maybe more than that. 50 here, 50 here. Ooh. Do we need 100 here? And then minus 100 here. No, I think that's too fast. 75. 75. Alright. That'll do. I'll accept it. Alright, let's see. Well, if we up this to 3 seconds. Up that to 15 particles. And then should we randomize this? Yeah, we should. Hell yeah, we should. Yeah. Alright, should be it. Should be good. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna go far slow. Have this equal, we'll say 5, I think. Now, hmm. Oh, hold on. No, dude. Ooh. No, that could be exploitable. That's not gonna work well. I just gotta add a max speed to like every single enemy I make. So we're gonna do speed and then max speed. I think is how we're gonna do that. Even though I already have this thing clamped. Do I need to clamp it then? If I have that max speed? I don't think so. Alright. Alright, so now in a function, in a process function, we'll do actually, hold on. Oh, wait. No, wait, hold on. That's dangerous. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna make another function. We're gonna make a ready function over here. We're gonna make slow equal max speed. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to, okay, so every process, every step, slow is going to be minus 0.1, I think. No, wait. Am I doing this wrong? Hold on a second. No. No, we're not. Yeah. Okay. No, we're good. Get parent dot speed equals max speed minus slow. I think that's all I need to do. How am I going to queue free this? How do I queue free this, I wonder? If slow equals 0, I guess. I'm just always afraid. I'm always afraid when I have something that happens that's ticking every step, and then I have to have something equal something like a 0. I always fear that one of these days it's always going to skip the step that it is equal that thing, and then it's just going to keep going. We'll see. Yeah, we'll just queue free here. Alright, I wonder if this is going to work. So we'll save this. Okay, where were we? Alright, we're left gun. So the left gun, gun lscan dot get collider dot has method damage. Okay, so first we'll do the damage class. Base damage is going to be, I guess we'll make it 25 as well. let's see. Now we get. Oop! I forgot to preload that. Let's preload that real quick. It's the only way this is gonna work. Let's see. Cryo damage. Packed scene. Preload. Cryo damage scene. Dope. Dopeness. Let's get to it. Where were we? We're right here. Okay, so new cryo damage equals cryo damage instantiate. Okay, then we need to do we also need to set the max damage for this. So new cryo damage dot max speed equals gun else can get collider dot max speed. Dope. I think we just add the child, right? Now we just go boom. I'm gonna gun else scan. Add child. New cryo damage. Alright, let me review this real quick. Alright, so we make the damage class. We set the base damage of the damage class. Then we do the damage, passing through the damage. We instantiate a cryo damage. We set the max speed for the cryo damage. Then we add the child. Alright. So, let me switch all these to R. And we're good. Let's see how this works. With my 999 cryo rounds. Oh, dude. Did I make this an integer? No. The fuck? Shouldn't matter, dude. Value of type float. I guess. Wait. Oh. Okay, something totally different happening. Hold on. Wait, what? What did I do? Oh, dang. Get collider. Add child. I did the same thing over here, didn't I? Get collider, add child. All right. Okay, so type static body 3D. What? Is this a... It's a character body 3D. What are you talking about? What did I hit? Because whatever I hit shouldn't have method damage. Dang, where did I put it? Oh yeah, here we go. It's a character body 3D. Because I'll just type static body 3D. It's right there, dude. What are you talking about, Godot? What? So why did it work that time? Well, I mean, I actually don't know if it worked or not. I didn't see the speed reduce or anything. He's speeding up. What did I do to this guy? I think it's because this. This didn't do anything. Alright, so let's see. So yeah, let's go if it's below 0.1. There's still room for error there, but hopefully it's not noticeable. Okay, I think that's working now. Oh boy, hold on. What am I hitting, dude? I have to do some investigation. Alright, so. So I was like over here. Did I hit? I tried hitting the key already. Key didn't do anything. Dude. Debugging is always the most fun part. Are you colliding with yourself, dude? Are you trying to apply cryo damage to yourself? No, it's just a bunch of junk. This stuff doesn't. This isn't applicable. Oh, wait, hold up. Oh, dude. Oh, dude! Oops. Haha. That sucks. Alright, I see what's going on here. Forgot to change one of the L's to an R. That's what was going on there. It's gonna be harder than I thought. Okay, hold on. This is how I'm going to make this easier on me. Oops, not that high. I think it's working. Yeah, that's working. Okay. So like the reason it's like hard to tell is because these things aren't very fast to begin with, which means the faster something is, the more effective cryo rounds are going to be on it. So there's an advantage there. So yeah, use them on things that are way faster. Okay, cryo rounds done. All right. Okay. Volt damage. Do I need? Probably do need to do the same thing here. Hold on. Yeah, so we'll do this. And the question is, how am I going to do the effects, like the arcing effect? I think I know how I'm going to do that. Hold on. All right. So. All right. This part's always the trickiest part here. Hold on a second. I think we do this. And then we do this. We're going to go with that for now. Oh, dude. Oh, you know what I forgot? Hold on. Forgot to disable the attractor interaction again. Alright. Yeah, let's not forget that this time here. Okay, so we don't need gravity, like, at all here. I don't get this direction thing. Can I just have it 0, 0, 0? Is that even possible? Should be, right? Okay, too much, too much, too much! Let's see. Is it angular? Yes. Probably 200 here. Maybe like negative 200 here. Probably. Because we're also going to knock this down to probably 0.2. Let's see if we can get color curve to work correctly with some alpha. Not really. Oh, I see what's going on here actually. Yeah. No, that makes sense. I see why that's happening. I do the same for the missions though. No. That does nothing. Try with the alpha. See what this does. Sorta. Is that working? Oh, dude. Okay, hold on. So let's see, what does that look like when we get this down to like 0.2? Alright. So I'm also going to do that. I'm going to go back in here. Let's see. Let's come down here so we can watch it. What does it look like just it alone? Sorta. Should I also do it here too? Yeah, that's the ticket. That's the Joey. That's the low quat. Alright, so we don't really need 8 of these. Should also scale it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. We'll scale it there. Like that. Should probably up the... Let's see if we do 2 here. Alright, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So now from here... Okay, now I just want to look at something real quick. Don't know if this is going to be what I need, but I just gotta look at spawn, position, point, directed points. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, we won't do it that way. I kinda do need one of those though. Let's see here. Get that blue up there. Make a nice little purple up in here. Wait a minute, what if I... something more like that? Is this how I should do all my lightning? I think I've been doing my lightning all wrong this whole time. Okay. I might have to go back and redo all of my lightning. We're just going to save this for now. And then we're going to try to redo this. Because that's so much easier. It looks better and it's so much easier to do. Nope, not vertex color. What am I doing? Oops. Forgot to have something to look at, dude. Let's see how that looks. Oops. Yeah. That is a one-shot, dude. That looks way better. Alright. Messing around too much. Another thing I think is, where's the cryo impact? This kind of needs a little bit of tweaking. Oops, nope, not this one. Okay, yeah. So maybe that velocity could be 3? Or is that too little? Let's find out. That's okay. That should be fine. I don't know how the collision for these particles work. Oh wait. No, I'm just seeing things. Okay, wasting resources. Cool, yeah. Alright, for this one though. Right. Wrong one. This one. This is the one we need to work on right now. Alright. We will not need gravity. Really all we need is for this thing to kind of just spin a lot. Okay. I think that's it. We'll play around with the amount and stuff like that later. Alright, so now. Alright, let's see. How are we gonna do this? We're gonna make arc time. And then we're gonna make arc damage. We're gonna make that 20. Arc time will make 1. Okay, so we'll make a ready. Ooh, you know what else we're gonna need? I just now realized this. we're gonna need an area 3D, and we're gonna need collision shape. Dope. Okay. I thought I had this on random. Okay, 5? Or is 5 too much? Try 3. We'll try 3 for now. Don't want it to be too OP. 4. Alright. Okay, we're gonna need that. Alright, so for is near in area 3D dot size. No. God damn it, dude. Alright, get overlapping bodies dot size. Alright, so if wait. Get overlapping bodies. Size all near is near okay, so is near wait. No, wait. How am I gonna exclude the one that it is a... Okay, I know how to do that. We're gonna be fine. We'll be fine. nearest equals only. Why didn't I do this? Why didn't it tell me that that was wrong? But whatever. Near 0. Near dot distance. Oh wait, no. Global position. Dot distance to nearest is no, because then it's always going to be itself. Hold on. Okay, then I gotta exclude itself now. Not equal get parent. Oops. 2 equals. Because that's just gonna be. Oh my god, this is gonna be the like. I think this is just gonna be the parent all the time. Unless. No, not far. Let's see. All near dot erase I should also make sure that is set to enemies. Oh wait, no. Fuck. No. Collide or mask is enemies. Make sure that's set there. Okay, so it'll erase the parent, so it won't chain to itself. So then I guess I don't need this. Now, can you use this? I think it's 0. But if, ooh, probably gonna have to do this. Actually, we're gonna have to do this before here. So, if all near dot size less than 1, queue free. Hopefully that breaks. Or do I have to say break? Does that even work outside of a for loop? No, it needs to be inside a for loop. Would pass work? Would I just, oh no, because then it won't queue free. Would this work? Would it queue free and then pass and like not execute the rest of this? I don't know. Because if I don't do that, I think it's just gonna, even if I queue it free, it'll execute everything else after it anyways. And then it will actually queue free. We'll see. We'll see what this does in a second here. Not really a second, probably a few minutes. This is gonna be a while. I'm pushing like the very few brain cells I have left to their limits here. Alright, so if is near, no wait, no, don't, no. That's not how this works. What am I doing? No. So if near dot global position dot distance to global position is less than, no, is greater than greater than all nearest, no, is near dot global position dot distance to global position. Is this gonna work? There's gotta be one shot. No, I don't like that. Alright, we start up the particle for the first spark. I mean, the only spark, really. But, alright, so now in process, let's see what we got. What we got here in process. Process, we've got... We're going to do arc time minus 0.1, 0.01. Ooh. We're also gonna need, okay, so on ready, we're gonna need some volt damage. This is gonna be a packed scene. Preload it. Volt damage scene. All right. Arc time less than 0. We're going to do a new var. That's what I was forgetting. New volt damage dot instantiate. Alright. Now new volt damage dot arc damage equals arc damage minus 5. So it does 5 less damage each arc until it just gets to 0, and then it kills itself. Which I should do in the ready function. If arc damage less than 5, Q free. No, wait. Because then you'll be able to see. Okay, so if all this works, then you'd see the effect of arc, the lightning arcing over, but you won't, but it won't do any damage. So I'll probably do that. I guess I'll do this here, right? Hold on. Wait. Just wait. Just wait. Hold on. When should I kill it? Okay, so it's going to go through here. Okay, well, hold on. Let's do the rest of this. Hold on. Ah, fuck. Should I do it when it... Wait, should I take the damage? Or should I deal the damage here? On the ready? If I do that... No, because if I do that, then if it kills it... Oh, dude, it's still gonna... If it kills something... It won't arc to the next one. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Yeesh. Or, hold on. No, I got this. So, yeah, we can do the damage here. It's just that if I'll like put something down here, if their health is below 1, then I'll unparent it, just leave it hanging out there in the open, and then it'll die itself. It'll kill itself off eventually. Let's do that right now. If get parent dot health is less than 1, self reparent. Is that how this works? Yeah, new parent. Yeah. New parent. So we're gonna get the tree. We're gonna get the root. And we're gonna get child, the first one, which is always going to be the world node. Reparent world. Okay. Whoop. All right. Also, okay, what if I do it this way? and arc damage is over 1. And then we'll just do this. Get parent dot L minus equals arc damage. No way, that doesn't really. Oof, hold up. Okay, let's just keep going. No wait, that doesn't really need, we don't need to do that. So we just do nearest. Oh, bro. Okay, I need nearest to be over here. We need to make that a variable over here. Alright, now nearest dot new arc damage. No, new volt damage. Oops, new. Okay, now. Global position X to nearest dot global position dot X at I don't know, 0.5. Oops, 0.5. All right, let's find out. And so these, I'm gonna copy a couple times. Okay. But how am I going to prevent it from arcing over? Okay, wait. So, hold on. Goes. Where's the damage? Does the damage here. Boom. Should I just put it right here? If arc damage equals 5. Oh boy. Alright, let's see. Volt damage dot scene. Alright. The final one. Alright, so if gun scan dot get collider dot has method damage, then we are going to need to make a damage variable with the damage class. Okay. Damage dot base damage equals 25. And then we go. After that, we just do the damage, right? Yeah. Okay, so new volt damage. No, new volt. Yeah, damage. New volt damage equals volt damage dot instantiate. Instantiate, bro. Then we're just gonna apply it, I think. Scan dot get collider add child new volt damage. I'm sweating. I'm sweating here, dude. This has got me nervous, dude. Am I gonna blow up my computer if this doesn't go right? Am I gonna blow up my computer? Okay, let's just do normal ammo for this first guy. It's not gonna really matter. Okay, grab the key. Okay, we're gonna switch to volt rounds. Okay, here it is. This is it. Yeah. Okay, hold on. What happened? Index 0 base object type right now. What? Invalid access of index 0 on base object type. Oh, it's because I don't know, man. Did this not happen? No, because there should be a bunch of people around. Hold on. Hold on. Get overlapping bodies. Oh, access index 0. Why? Zero. It doesn't queue free. Or I mean, yeah, it doesn't queue free fast enough. What if I do pass? Will that pass the rest of it? Nope. Same thing. Alright, so. Yeesh. Okay, hold on. if I do an else here? Okay, something's happening. Hold on. Something's happening here. I don't think it's arcing, though. Does not look like it's arcing. God damn it, dude. This is a problem I need to fix. Yeah, okay, here we go. Wow. There's nothing. These things don't have anything in them. What? But it should wait. So that is less than 1. So you would think that should queue. Oh my god. Still. It's just blank. Hold on. Overlapping bodies. They're not too far apart, dude. I got the collision right? Enemies. You are on the enemy layer. Okay, overlapping bodies. Get overlapping bodies. Doesn't even look like it's going through process either. What the? Oh, because it's queuing. It is queuing free. Okay, hold on. So it does queue free, but get overlapping bodies, as it should, like, because there's nothing in there. Huh. It's still not. Oh, dude. There's no way, dude. Okay, because there's nothing in it. Why is this not detecting anything? where are you? Where do you spawn, dude? Alright, so we print, oops, not gizmos. Get parent. Then we're also going to print get parent global position. Okay, so it is where it's supposed to be. Then why? Why is it not picking up anything? Let's see, monitoring priority monitor. How about now? Oh wait, I will not be able to tell if it does anything. Hold on. Oh, pff, wrong ammo. Still nothing. Gravity. Space override. Interesting. Wonder what that does. Huh. Anyways, can this not be done in the ready function? Hold on. Alright, so we're gonna try something really weird. Spawn equals false. And do all this stuff. Still not detecting anything. Alright. I'm gonna try to figure this out tomorrow. Anyways, so thank you all for watching. Have a great evening, have a great morning, have a great afternoon, whatever time it is for you. Peace out.